let's get the garlic and the anchovies done. Put that into the, as you see, a little bit of olive oil. About that much. What's that, a quarter of a cup? And we're going to add more to that. And the anchovies are going to disintegrate. As you can see, you can chop them up if you want. It doesn't make any sense because and that's just about enough. Yeah, you don't see the anchovies really, and the garlic, that's enough. Because garlic is healthier when it's raw, so we don't want to cook it that much. Now I'm going to shut that off and add more oil just to stop it from, the moisture in the anchovy just made a mess on the stove. That should be just about enough virgin olive oil to coat the pasta after it's done. So that's done. That's the hardest part. We're not going to use much salt in this because, of course, we all know how salty anchovies are. A little salt went in there. Not much because we have the anchovies. And you could use a tall pot. But I prefer using this pot of mine. It just seems to work easier. And then towards the end of this cooking, I'm going to add the spinach. It just makes it simpler. So this is cooking and we're not going to be watching this. It's just a waste of time. So when this is just about ready, I will add the spinach. Well, it's almost al dente, so I'm putting the spinach in there. This is baby spinach. You don't want to buy the huge leaf spinach that you have to cut up, and it's just a lot of work. So you use, and why am I putting the spinach in here and not sauteing it with the garlic and the anchovies? Why? Because it's just easier for me to mix this way. And this is done in about 5 seconds. Takes no time for the spinach. That's it. So now we take this, put it in the colander, and then we'll put it back in the pot. So now that this is in there, don't wash the spaghetti either. Put this in here to get put that over on the side there. Do it again because you want all this flavor that's in the pan into there. One more shot. And now we just mix this up. After we add some pepper, black pepper. You want to use this, go right ahead. I don't have any time for that. So we mix this up. The only thing I can say about this is I didn't use enough spinach, so I'm going to triple what I put down in the recipe. Otherwise, everything else stays the same. And there you have it. And you want to taste it and see if you taste the anchovies. Of course we do. Let me take just a drop of the spinach, the pasta, and we see if we have enough. Good. Really good. So if you like anchovies and fresh garlic and pasta and virgin olive oil and spinach, this is for you.